Founded by students, for students, Focus to Thrive is a youth-led movement tackling distraction, disconnection, and stress through self-help, peer support, and community action. Through our impact framework, the organization lays out a step-by-step approach to initiate action and create growth. Our objective is to build a resilient generation, one team, one partnership, one community at a time. Join us by subscribing to our channel. Welcome back to Focus to Thrive. If you've ever felt stressed just looking at your desk, your backpack, or your desktop, this module is just for you. Today's topic is organization of materials and space, because a tidy space isn't about being perfect. It's about making your brain's job easier. Let's start with why this actually matters. An organized space reduces stress and distractions. It saves time, improves focus, and builds confidence. When you don't have to search for your notes, your charger, or your homework, your brain has more energy for learning, not panicking. Here's a system we'll use in this module, the 4-step organization loop. First, capture. Don't hold everything in your head. Write it down. Put it somewhere safe. Second, sort. Ask, is this for today, this week, or later? Third, store. Everything needs a home. If it doesn't have one, it becomes cluttered. And fourth, review. A quick daily reset and a weekly check keeps small messes from becoming big ones. Organization works best when it's predictable. That means using short daily routines like a 2-minute reset, a weekly check-in, and using the same place to store the same things. This idea comes from visual order systems. When your space looks calm, your brain feels calmer too. Here's a simple rule. You can't use what you can't find. Give your notes, handouts, and papers a home early, and stick with it. You're allowed to revise your system, but don't delete things randomly. Organization isn't throwing things away. It's knowing where things are when you need them. Once a week, just 15 minutes. Clean your study space, reorganize your backpack and folders, reset for the week ahead. Think of it as setting your future self up for success. For school materials, just keep it simple. Use binders with labeled dividers. Color code by subject if that helps you. Keep backpacks and folders clutter-free. Tools like 3-ring binders, notebooks, plastic folders, and lockers exist to help you, not to slow you down. In a binder, you can store your syllabus, handouts and worksheets, tests, quizzes, labs, essays, homework, notes, blank paper. One system, one place, and less stress. File organizers, physical or desktop, are great if you think visually. If you can see where things belong, you're more likely to put them back. Organization is not about willpower. It's about choosing tools that make organization easier by default. For example, 3-ring binders keep everything in one place so you can quickly flip through and find what you need. Single subject notebooks work well if you prefer a simple one-class system. Plastic folders and color coding by subject make it easier to organize and quickly spot what you need during the week. There's no perfect setup. The best tool is the one you'll actually use. Consistency. File organizers are great if you're a visual thinker because they sort papers by subject, unit, or priority instead of messy piles. Accordion folders, trays, or vertical organizers give everything a visible home, making it faster to file and find later. Less visual clutter also reduces mental clutter, so your brain can focus on learning instead of searching. Now, let's talk about digital clutter. If your desktop looks chaotic, your brain probably feels the same. Create folders for each class. Name them files clearly and consistently. Clean out your downloads folder weekly. Here's a simple digital workflow. Everything starts in downloads or recent. Then move it to folders categorized by schoolwork, classes, and units. Rename it immediately by using a template. Here are some examples. You can start with the subject, then type the document followed by the date. Your locker and workspace matter too. Use a locker shelf so books aren't piled. Make sure you like how your workspace looks and feels. Your chair, lighting, temperature, and space is spread out. Comfort supports focus. Ask yourself, can devices be out of sight when you don't need them? Are there distractions nearby? People, doors, noise? Is the lighting comfortable? Do you need music, maybe without lyrics? Do you have enough desk space? You don't need a perfect setup, just the one that works for you. Organization isn't about being neat, it's about reducing friction. Small systems create calm. Calm creates focus, and focus helps you to thrive. Try one small challenge today, and we'll see you in the next Focus to Thrive module.